Q. In which of the following areas can GPS technology be used? 2018. 1. Mobile phone operations. 2. Banking operations. 3. Controlling the power grids. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. GPS. The Global Positioning System (GPS), originally Navstar GPS, is a satellite-based radio navigation system owned by the United States government and operated by the United States Air Force. It is a global navigation satellite system that provides geolocation and time information to a GPS receiver anywhere on or near the Earth where there is an unobstructed line of sight to 4 or more GPS satellites. Obstacles such as mountains and buildings block the relatively weak GPS signals. The GPS project was launched by the U.S. Department of Defense in 1973 for use by the United States military and became fully operational in 1995. It was allowed for civilian use in the 1980s. GPS capabilities. 1. GPS works accurately in all weather conditions, around the clock and around the globe. 2. There is no subscription fee to use GPS signals. 3. GPS receivers are generally accurate within 15 meters, and newer models that use wide area augmentation system WASP signals are accurate within 3 meters. GPS limitations. 1. GPS signals may be blocked by dense forest, canyon walls, skyscrapers, bridges, walls, and the like, making accurate GPS navigation difficult or impossible. 2. Likewise, GPS doesn't work well in indoor and underground spaces. 3. Satellite maintenance, radio interference, and solar storms can cause coverage gaps. GPS. Q. In which of the following areas can GPS technology be used? 2018. 1. Mobile phone operations. 2. Banking operations. 3. Controlling the power grids. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer. D. Q. When the alarm of your smartphone rings in the morning, you wake up and tap it to stop the alarm, which causes your geyser to be switched on automatically. The smart mirror in your bathroom shows the day's weather and also indicates the level of water in your overhead tank. After you take some groceries from your refrigerator for making breakfast, it recognizes the shortage of stock in it and places an order for the supply of fresh grocery items. When you step out of your house and lock the door, all lights, fans, geysers and AC machines get switched off automatically. On your way to office, your car warns you about traffic congestion ahead and suggests an alternative route, and if you are late for a meeting, it sends a message to your office accordingly. In the context of emerging communication technologies, which one of the following term best applies to the above scenario? 2018. A. Border Gateway Protocol. B. Internet of Things. C. Internet Protocol. D. Virtual Private Network. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things (IoT) is the extension of internet connectivity into physical devices and everyday objects. Embedded with electronics, internet connectivity, and other forms of hardware, such as sensors, these devices can communicate and interact with others over the internet, and they can be remotely monitored and controlled. The term Internet of Things was likely coined by Kevin Ashton of Procter & Gamble, later MIT's Auto ID Center, in 1999, though he prefers the phrase Internet for Things. The definition of the Internet of Things has evolved due to convergence of multiple technologies, real-time analytics, machine learning, commodity sensors, and embedded systems. Traditional fields of embedded systems, wireless sensor networks, control systems, automation including home and building automation, and others all contribute to enabling the Internet of Things. In the consumer market, IoT technology is most synonymous with products pertaining to the concept of the smart home, covering devices and appliances such as lighting fixtures, thermostats, home security systems and cameras, and other home appliances that support one or more common ecosystems and can be controlled via devices associated with that ecosystem, such as smartphones and smart speakers. The IoT concept has faced prominent criticism, especially in regards to privacy and security concerns related to these devices and their intention of pervasive presence. Internet of Things. Important terms: Internet Protocol. The Internet Protocol (IP) is the principal communications protocol in the Internet Protocol suite for relaying datagrams across network boundaries. Its routing function enables internet working and essentially establishes the Internet. IP has the task of delivering packets from the source host to the destination host solely based on the IP addresses in the packet headers. For this purpose, IP defines packet structures that encapsulate the data to be delivered. It also defines addressing methods that are used to label the datagram with source and destination information. Historically, IP was the connectionless datagram service in the original transmission control program introduced by Windsurf and Bob Kahn in 1974, which was complemented by a connection-oriented service that became the basis for the transmission control protocol (TCP). The Internet Protocol Suite is therefore often referred to as TCP/IP. The first major version of IP, Internet Protocol version 4 (IPv4), is the dominant protocol of the Internet. Its successor, Internet Protocol version 6 (IPv6), has been growing in adoption, reaching almost 25% of all Internet traffic as of October 2018. Q. When the alarm of your smartphone rings in the morning, you wake up and tap it to stop the alarm, which causes your geyser to be switched on automatically. The smart mirror in your bathroom shows the day's weather and also indicates the level of water in your overhead tank. After you take some groceries from your refrigerator for making breakfast, it recognizes the shortage of stock in it and places an order for the supply of fresh grocery items. When you step out of your house and lock the door, all lights, fans, geysers and AC machines get switched off automatically. On your way to office, your car warns you about traffic congestion ahead and suggests an alternative route, and if you are late for a meeting, it sends a message to your office accordingly. In the context of emerging communication technologies, which one of the following term best applies to the above scenario? 318 said D. A. Border Gateway Protocol. B. Internet of Things. C. Internet Protocol. D. Virtual Private Network. Answer B. Q. The memory of a computer is commonly expressed in terms of kilobytes or megabytes. A byte is made up of 2000. A 8 binary digits. B. 8 decimal digits. C. 2 binary digits. D. 2 decimal digits. Computer memory. The computer memory holds the data and instructions needed to process raw data and produce output. The computer memory is divided into large number of small parts known as cells. Each cell has a unique address which varies from 0 to memory size -1. Computer memory is of two types: volatile RAM and non-volatile ROM. The secondary memory, hard disk, is referred as storage, not memory. But if we categorize memory on behalf of space or location, it is of four types. 1. Register memory. 2. Cache memory. 3. Primary memory. 4. Secondary memory. The most commonly used units of data storage capacity are the bit to states 0 and 1 and the byte which is equivalent to 8 bits. Important term in use: memristor. Memristors are a special type of resistive device that can both perform logic and store data. This contrasts with typical computer systems, where processors perform logic separate from memory modules. Hence, they require less space and can be integrated more easily into silicon-based electronics. Q. The memory of a computer is commonly expressed in terms of kilobytes or megabytes. A byte is made up of 2000. A 8 binary digits. B. 8 decimal digits. C. 2 binary digits. D. 2 decimal digits. Answer A. Question 12. Q. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 2007. A. William Dixon, motion picture film. B. Charles Babbage, programmable computer. C. Nicholas Stem, construction technology. D. Brian Greene, string theory. Question 13. Q. In India, it is legally mandatory for which of the following to report on cybersecurity incidents? 2016. 1. Service providers. 2. Data centers. 3. Body corporate. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Prelim special. Previous year questions. Science and technology. Latest technologies LECTURE 12. Questions from science and technology. Science and technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20. Diseases in news 21. Biotechnology 23. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments: artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16 chapter subtopics. Latest technologies. Biometric identification display technologies, nanotechnology. 3D printing, lightning devices. Various forms of cyber attacks. Cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, others. Q1 to 8. Q. In addition to fingerprint scanning, which of the following can be used in the biometric identification of a person? 2014. 1. Iris scanning. 2. Retinal scanning. 3. Voice recognition. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Biometric identification. Biometric verification is any means by which a person can be uniquely identified by evaluating one or more distinguishing biological traits. Unique identifiers include fingerprints, hand geometry, earlobe geometry, retina and iris patterns, voice waves, DNA, and signatures. The oldest form of biometric verification is fingerprinting. Iris pattern and retina pattern authentication methods are already employed in some bank automatic teller machines. Voice waveform recognition, a method of verification that has been used for many years with tape recordings in telephone wiretaps, is now being used for access to proprietary databanks in research facilities. Facial recognition technology has been used by law enforcement to pick out individuals in large crowds with considerable reliability. No matter what biometric methodology is used, the identification verification process remains the same. A record of a person's unique characteristic is captured and kept in a database. Later on, when identification verification is required, a new record is captured and compared with the previous record in the database. If the data in the new record matches that in the database record, the person's identity is confirmed. Q. In addition to fingerprint scanning, which of the following can be used in the biometric identification of a person? 2014. 1. Iris scanning. 2. Retinal scanning. 3. Voice recognition. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer. D. Q. The identity platform, Aadhaar, provides open application programming interfaces APIs. What does it imply? 2018. 1. It can be integrated into any electronic device. 2. Online authentication using iris is possible. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. API. An application programming interface API is a set of subroutine definitions, communication protocols, and tools for building software. A good API makes it easier to develop a computer program by providing all the building blocks, which are then put together by the programmer. An API may be for a web-based system, operating system, database system, computer hardware, or software library. An API specification can take many forms, but often includes specifications for routines, data structures, object classes, variables, or remote calls. POSIX, Windows API are examples of different forms of APIs. Documentation for the API usually is provided to facilitate usage and implementation. Open API. They are available for use by developers and other users with relatively few restrictions. Restrictions might include the necessity to register with the service providing the API. They are typically backed by open data. Open data is freely available for everyone to use and republish as they wish, without restrictions from copyright, patents, or other mechanisms of control. An open API may be free to use, but the publisher may limit how the API data can be used. An open API is publicly available for all developers to access. They allow developers outside of an organization's workforce to access backend data that can then be used to enhance their own applications. About Aadhaar. Aadhaar is a 12-digit unique identity number that can be obtained by residents of India based on their biometric and demographic data. The data is collected by the Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI), a statutory authority established in January 2009 by the Government of India under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, following the provisions of the Aadhaar Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Services Act 2016. Aadhaar is the world's largest biometric ID system. The Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) has introduced Virtual ID, WID, to safeguard Aadhaar cardholders' data. WID will be a 16-digit, randomly generated number which can be used for authentication instead of the original Aadhaar number, according to UIDAI. Virtual ID. WID will be a temporary, revocable 16-digit random number mapped with the Aadhaar number. WID can be generated only by the Aadhaar number holder. It will not be possible to derive Aadhaar number from WID. Last digit of the WID is the checksum using the HOF algorithm as in Aadhaar number. There will be only one active and valid WID for an Aadhaar number at any given time. UIDAI will provide various options to Aadhaar number holders to generate their WID, retrieve their WID in case they forget, and replace their WID with a new number. Q. The identity platform, Aadhaar, provides open application programming interfaces APIs. What does it imply? 2018. 1. It can be integrated into any electronic device. 2. Online authentication using iris is possible. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2 answer. D. Q. Organic light emitting diodes OLEDs are used to create digital display in many devices. What are the advantages of OLED displays over liquid crystal displays? 2016. 1. OLED displays can be fabricated on flexible plastic substrates. 2. Roll-up displays embedded in clothing can be made using OLEDs. 3. Transparent displays are possible using OLEDs. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above statements is correct. Display technologies. An electronic visual display, informally a screen, is a display device for presentation of images, text, or video transmitted electronically without producing a permanent record. Electronic visual displays include television sets, computer monitors, and digital signage. Type. These are the technologies used to create the various displays in use today. Liquid crystal display. Light emitting diode LED display. OLED display. AMOLED display. Plasma P display. Quantum dot QD display. LCD. A liquid crystal display or LCD draws its definition from its name itself. It is combination of two states of matter, the solid and the liquid. LCD's technologies allow displays to be much thinner when compared to cathode ray tube (CRT) technology. Liquid crystal display is composed of several layers which include two polarized panel filters and electrodes. An LCD is made with either a passive matrix or an active matrix display grid. The active matrix LCD is also known as a thin film transistor display. The passive matrix LCD has a grid of conductors with pixels located at each intersection in the grid. An active matrix has a transistor located at each pixel intersection, requiring less current to control the luminance of a pixel. For this reason, the current in an active matrix display can be switched on and off more frequently, improving the screen refresh time. LCDs consumes less amount of power compared to CRT and LED. LCDs are of low cost. Provides excellent contrast. LCDs are thinner and lighter when compared to cathode ray tube and LED. Lifespan 50,000 100,000 hours. LCD. Require additional light sources. Range of temperature is limited for operation. Low reliability. The aspect ratio and resolution are fixed. Lower contrast than CRTs due to a poor black level. Slow response times and scan rate conversion result in image degradation for moving or rapidly changing images. Viewing angle up to 165 degrees. Picture suffers from the side. Advantages, disadvantages. Liquid crystal technology has major applications in the field of science and engineering as well on electronic devices like liquid crystal thermometer. Optical imaging. The liquid crystal display technique is also applicable in visualization of the radio frequency waves in the waveguide. Used in the medical applications. Application. LED. A LED display is a flat panel display which uses an array of light emitting diodes as pixels for a video display. Their brightness allows them to be used outdoors where they are visible in the sun for store signs and billboards. LED diode came into existence in 1962 and were primarily red in color for the first decade. In the simplest terms, a light emitting diode LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current is passed through it. Light is produced when the particles that carry the current, known as electrons and holes, combine together within the semiconductor material. The main semiconductor materials used to manufacture LEDs are indium gallium nitride, IGN, blue, green and ultraviolet high brightness LEDs. Aluminum gallium indium phosphide, ALGAN, yellow, orange and red high brightness LEDs. Aluminum gallium arsenide, ALGAS, red and infrared LEDs. Gallium phosphide gap yellow and green LEDs. LEDs emit more lumens per watt than incandescent light bulbs. LEDs can emit light of an intended color without using any color filters. This is more efficient and can lower initial costs. LEDs can be very small and are easily attached to printed circuit boards. LEDs light up very quickly. In contrast to most light sources, LEDs radiate very little heat in the form of IR that can cause damage to sensitive objects or fabrics. LEDs can have a relatively long useful life. One report estimates 35,000 to 50,000 hours of useful life. Immune to surface contaminants. Durable and resistant displays. High image resolution and clarity. LED. LED performance largely depends on the ambient temperature of the operating environment or thermal management properties. Overdriving an LED in high ambient temperatures may result in overheating the LED package. LEDs must be supplied with a voltage above their threshold voltage and a current below their rating. Light pollution. Because white LEDs emit more short wavelength light than sources such as high pressure sodium vapor lamps, white LEDs used in outdoor lighting cause substantially more sky glow. Efficiency group. The efficiency of LEDs decreases as the electric current increases. Incoherent light source. Advantages, disadvantages. OLED. An organic light emitting diode, OLED, is a light emitting diode, LED, in which the emissive electroluminescent layer is a film of organic compound that emits light in response to an electric current. This organic layer is situated between two electrodes. Typically, at least one of these electrodes is transparent. OLEDs are used to create digital displays in devices such as television screens, computer monitors, portable systems such as smartphones, handheld game consoles, and PDAs. OLEDs can be formed on any substrate such as glasses, clothes, plastic, and other bendable substrates. An OLED display can be driven with a passive matrix PMOLED or active matrix AMOLED control scheme. In the PMOLED scheme, each row and line in the display is controlled sequentially, one by one, whereas AMOLED control uses a thin film transistor backplane to directly access and switch each individual pixel on or off, allowing for higher resolution and larger display sizes. An OLED display works without a backlight because it emits visible light. Thus, it can display deep black levels and can be thinner and lighter than a liquid crystal display LCD. In low ambient light conditions, such as a dark room, an OLED screen can achieve a higher contrast ratio than an LCD, regardless of whether the LCD uses cold cathode fluorescent lamps or an LED backlight. An OLED display has the following advantages over an LCD display: improved image quality, better contrast, higher brightness, fuller viewing angle, a wider color range, and much faster refresh rates. Lower power consumption. Simpler design that enables ultra-thin, flexible, foldable, and transparent displays. Better durability. OLEDs are very durable and can operate in a broader temperature range. Because the light emitting layers of an OLED are lighter, the substrate of an OLED can be flexible instead of rigid. OLED substrates can be plastic rather than the glass used for LEDs and LCDs. Foldable OLEDs and rollable OLEDs can be used to create new mobile devices, which is not possible in LCDs. OLED. It costs more to produce an OLED than it does to produce an LCD. OLEDs can also be problematic in direct sunlight because of their emissive nature. While red and green OLED films have longer lifetimes, 46,000 to 230,000 hours, blue organics currently have much shorter lifetimes, up to around 14,000 hours. Water can easily damage OLEDs. Advantages, disadvantages. Quantum dot. A quantum dot display is a display device that uses quantum dots, QD, semiconductor nanocrystals, which can produce pure monochromatic red, green, and blue light. Photoemissive quantum dot particles are used in a QD layer which converts the backlight to emit pure basic colors, which improve display brightness and color gamut by reducing light losses and color crosstalk in RGB color filters. This technology is used in LED backlit LCDs, though it is applicable to other display technologies which use color filters, such as white or blue UV OLED. Quantum dots, QDs, are tiny semiconductor particles a few nanometers in size, having optical and electronic properties that differ from larger LED particles. They are a central theme in nanotechnology. When the quantum dots are illuminated by UV light, some of the electrons receive enough energy to break free from the atoms. This capability allows them to move around the nanoparticle, creating a conductance band in which electrons are free to move through a material and conduct electricity. When these electrons drop back into the outer orbit around the atom, the valence band, as illustrated in the following figure, they emit light. The color of that light depends on the energy difference between the conductance band and the valence band. Potential applications include transistors, solar cells, LEDs, diode lasers and second harmonic generation, quantum computing, and medical imaging. Plasma display. A plasma display panel (PDP) is a type of flat panel display that uses small cells containing plasma, ionized gas that responds to electric fields. Plasma displays are bright 1000 lux or higher for the module, have a white color gamut, and can be produced in fairly large sizes, up to 3.8 meters, 150 in diagonally. They have a very low luminance, darkroom, black level compared with the lighted ray of the unilluminated parts of an LCD screen. As plasma panels are locally lit and do not require a backlight, blacks are blacker on plasmas and gray on LCDs. The lifetime of the latest generation of plasma displays is estimated at 100,000 hours of actual display time, or 27 years at 10 hours per day. This is the estimated time over which maximum picture brightness degrades to half the original value. Plasma screens are made out of glass, which may result in glare on the screen from nearby light sources. Currently, plasma panels cannot be economically manufactured in screen sizes smaller than 82 centimeters, 32 in. Although a few companies have been able to make plasma enhanced definition televisions (EDTV), the small, even fewer have made 32-inch plasma HD TVs. Capable of producing deeper blacks, allowing for a superior contrast ratio. Wider viewing angles than those of LCD, images do not suffer from degradation at less than straight ahead angles like LCDs. Less visible motion blur, thanks in large part to very high refresh rates and a faster response time, contributing to superior performance when displaying content with significant amounts of rapid motion. Superior uniformity. Unaffected by clouding from the polishing process. Some LCD panel types, like IPS, require a polishing process that can introduce a haze, usually referred to as clouding. Less expensive for the buyer per square inch than LCD, particularly when equivalent performance is considered. Plasma. Plasma displays are more susceptible to burn-in or screen burn of static images. Plasma displays requires more power, thus more heat produced than LCDs. Shorter display lifespan than LCD. This can vary according to other environmental and use factors. Does not work as well at high altitudes above 6,500 feet, 2,000 meters, due to pressure differential between the gases inside the screen and the air pressure at altitude. It may cause a buzzing noise. The radio frequency interference (RFI) from these devices can be irritating or disabling. Plasma displays are generally heavier than LCD and may require more careful handling, such as being kept upright. Advantages, disadvantages. Q. Organic light emitting diodes (OLEDs) are used to create digital display in many devices. What are the advantages of OLED displays over liquid crystal displays? 2016. 1. OLED displays can be fabricated on flexible plastic substrates. 2. Roll-up displays embedded in clothing can be made using OLEDs. 3. Transparent displays are possible using OLEDs. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above statements is correct answer. C. Q. With reference to the use of nanotechnology in health sector, which of the following statements are correct? 2015I. 1. Targeted drug delivery is made possible by nanotechnology. 2. Nanotechnology can largely contribute to gene therapy. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Q. There is some concern regarding the nanoparticles of some chemical elements that are used by the industry in the manufacture of various products. Why? 2014. 1. They can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. 2. They can enter the food chains. 3. They can trigger the production of free radicals. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale. The ideas and concepts behind nanoscience and nanotechnology started with a talk entitled "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom" by physicist Richard Feynman on December 29, 1959. Professor Norio Taniguchi coined the term nanotechnology. India and nanotechnology. Department of Information Technology, Government of India has started nanotechnology development program only recently. The first project was funded in March 2004. In December 2005, major joint project for setting up of nanoelectronic centers at IISc, Bengaluru and IIT, Bombay was initiated with a total outlay of Rs. 99.80 crore over a period of 5 years. Another major project on nanometrology, science of measurements at nanoscale, an essential requirement for development of nanotechnology in the country at National Physical Laboratory, Delhi, with a total outlay of Rs. 11.31 crore over a period of 4 years was also initiated in December 2005. In 2007, a mission on nanoscience and technology was approved by the Government of India. The mission aims at making India a world-class center for nanotechnology. The government sanctioned a sum of 1,000 crore rupees for a period of 5 years for the mission. The Department of Science and Technology is the nodal agency for implementing the mission. Applications medicine. Nanomedicine is a new field that combines nanotechnology with medicine to boost human healthcare, such as nanotech detector for heart attack, nanochips to check plaque in arteries, nanocarriers in chemotherapy, eye surgery. Nanoparticles for drug delivery to the brain are a method for transporting drug molecules across the blood-brain barrier (BBB) using nanoparticles. Nanosponges absorb toxins and remove them from the bloodstream. Nanoflares are nanoparticles that are designed to specifically bind and generate a light to target cancer cells, thereby allowing for accurate and precise detection of cancer cells in the body. It can make DNA sequencing efficient. Applications. Demerits. The impact of nanotechnology extends from its medical, ethical, mental, legal and environmental applications to fields such as engineering, biology, chemistry, computing, material science and communications. They are 1. Health impact. Nanotoxicology is the field which studies potential health risks of nanomaterials. The extremely small size of nanomaterials means that they are much more readily taken up by the human body than larger sized particles. They could cause overload on phagocytes, cells that ingest and destroy foreign matter, thereby triggering stress reactions that lead to inflammation and weaken the body's defense against other pathogens. 2. Nanopollution is a generic name for all waste generated by nanodevices or during the nanomaterials manufacturing process. Nanowaste is mainly the group of particles that are released into the environment or the particles that are thrown away when still on their products. 3. Ecotoxicological impacts of nanoparticles and the potential for bioaccumulation in plants and microorganisms is a subject of current research, as nanoparticles are considered to present novel environmental impacts. 4. Another of the numerous safety concerns with nanotechnology is the lack of a centralized monitoring agency. Q. With reference to the use of nanotechnology in health sector, which of the following statements are correct? 2015I. 1. Targeted drug delivery is made possible by nanotechnology. 2. Nanotechnology can largely contribute to gene therapy. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer C. Q. There is some concern regarding the nanoparticles of some chemical elements that are used by the industry in the manufacture of various products. Y. 2014. 1. They can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. 2. They can enter the food chains. 3. They can trigger the production of free radicals. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer D. Q. 3D printing has applications in which of the following? 2018. 1. Preparation of confectionery items. 2. Manufacture of bionic ears. 3. Automotive industry. 4. Reconstructive surgeries. 5. Data processing technologies. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 3 and 4 only. B. 2, 3 and 5 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3D printing. The term 3D printing additive manufacturing covers a variety of processes in which material is joined or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object. The creation of a 3D printed object is achieved using additive processes. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced horizontal cross-section of the eventual object. Q. 3D printing has applications in which of the following? 2018. 1. Preparation of confectionery items. 2. Manufacture of bionic ears. 3. Automotive industry. 4. Reconstructive surgeries. 5. Data processing technologies. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 3 and 4 only. B. 2, 3 and 5 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Answer D. Question 7. Q. A new optical disc format known as the Blu-ray disc BD is becoming popular. In what way is it different from the traditional DVD? 2011I. 1. DVD supports standard definition video while BD supports high definition video. 2. Compared to a DVD, the BD format has several times more storage capacity. 3. Thickness of BD is 2.4 mm while that of DVD is 1.2 mm. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Q. The term INDAC, sometimes seen in the news, is the name of 2015I. An indigenously developed radar system inducted into Indian defense. B. India's satellite to provide services to the countries of Indian Ocean Rim. C. A scientific establishment set up by India in Antarctic region. D. India's underwater observatory to scientifically study the Arctic region. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Science and Technology. Latest Technologies Lecture 13. Questions from Science and Technology. Science and Technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20. Diseases in News 21. Biotechnology 23. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments. Artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16 chapter subtopics. Latest technologies. Biometric identification display technologies, nanotechnology. 3D printing lighting devices. Various forms of cyber attacks. Cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, others. Q9 to 16. Q. What is the difference between a CFL and an LED lamp? 1. To produce light, a CFL uses mercury vapor and phosphor while an LED lamp uses semiconductor material. 2. The average lifespan of a CFL is much longer than that of an LED lamp. 3. A CFL is less energy efficient as compared to an LED lamp. Which of the statements given above are correct? 2011I. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. LED. A light emitting diode LED is a 2-lead semiconductor light source. It is a PN junction diode, which emits light when activated. When a suitable voltage is applied to the leads, electrons are able to recombine with electron holes within the device, releasing energy in the form of photons. This effect is called electroluminescence, and the color of the light corresponds to the energy of the photon. LED lamps have a lifespan and electrical efficiency which are several times longer than incandescent lamps and significantly more efficient than most fluorescent lamps. CFL. It is a fluorescent lamp designed to replace tungsten lamp and has high energy efficiency. Like all fluorescent lamps, CFLs contain toxic mercury. The principle of operation remains the same as in other fluorescent lighting. Electrons that are bound to mercury atoms are excited to states where they will radiate ultraviolet light as they return to a lower energy level. This emitted ultraviolet light is converted into visible light as it strikes the fluorescent coating, as well as into heat when absorbed by other materials such as glass. Improved phosphor formulations have improved the perceived color of the light emitted by CFLs, such that some sources rate the best, soft white. CFLs is subjectively similar in color to standard incandescent lamps. CFLs incandescent light bulbs lifespan, average 50,000 hours, 40x 8,000 hours, 7.5 by 1,200 hours, x. Power use 7 watts by 14 watts, 2x 60 watts, 9x brightness in lumens 600 million 540,800 annual operating cost x 2x 10x contains the toxic mercury no yes no carbon dioxide emissions x 2x 10x. Turns on instantly yes no takes time to. Warm up AC heat output low medium high Q. What is the difference between a CFL and an LED lamp? 1. To produce light, a CFL uses mercury vapor and phosphor while an LED lamp uses semiconductor material. 2. The average lifespan of a CFL is much longer than that of an LED lamp. 3. A CFL is less energy efficient as compared to an LED lamp. Which of the statements given above are correct? 2011 I. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer C. Q. The terms WannaCry, Petya and Eternal Blue, sometimes mentioned in the news recently are related to pre-18 set D. A. Exoplanets. B. Cryptocurrency. C. Cyber attacks. D. Mini satellites. Cyber attacks. In computers and computer networks, an attack is any attempt to expose, alter, disable, destroy, steal or gain unauthorized access to or make unauthorized use of an asset. A cyber attack is any type of offensive maneuver that targets computer information systems, infrastructures, computer networks, or personal computer devices. An attacker is a person or process that attempts to access data, functions or other restricted areas of the system without authorization, potentially with malicious intent. Depending on context, cyber attacks can be part of cyber warfare or cyberterrorism. Cyber attacks. A computer virus is a type of malicious software that, when executed, replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. The virus can hide in unlikely locations in the memory of a computer system and attach itself to whatever file it sees fit to execute its code. It can also change its digital footprint each time it replicates, making it harder to track down in the computer. Important terms. Virus. Malware, malicious software, is any software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. Malware does the damage after it is implanted or introduced in some way into a target's computer and can take the form of executable code, scripts, active content, and other software. The code is described as computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, spyware, adware, and scareware, among other terms. Malware. Ransomware is a type of malware from cryptovirology that threatens to publish the victim's data or perpetually block access to it unless a ransom is paid. Ransomware. 1, 2, 3. Important terms. A Trojan horse is designed to perform legitimate tasks, but it also performs unknown and unwanted activity. It can be the basis of many viruses and worms installing onto the computer as keyboard loggers and backdoor. Software. In a commercial sense, Trojans can be embedded in trial versions of software and can gather additional intelligence about the target without the person even knowing it happening. All three of these are likely to attack an individual and establishment through emails, web browser, chat clients, remote software, and updates. Trojan horse. A worm does not need another file or program to copy itself. It is a self-sustaining running program. Worms replicate over a network using protocols. The latest incarnation of worms make use of known vulnerabilities in systems to penetrate, execute their code, and replicate to other systems such as the code red 2 worm that infected more than 259,000 systems in less than 14 hours. Worm. A denial of service attack, DOS attack, is a cyber attack in which the perpetrator seeks to make a machine or network resource unavailable to its intended users by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to the internet. Denial of service attack. 4, 5, 6. Important terms. Spoofing, in general, is a fraudulent or malicious practice in which communication is sent from an unknown source disguised as a source known to the receiver. Email spoofing is one of the best known spoofs. Spoofing. When cybercriminals try to get sensitive information from you, like credit card numbers and passwords. Some specific techniques include spear phishing, target specific people or departments, whale phishing targets important people like source, and swishing phishing via text messages, and wishing voice phishing that takes place over the phone, usually through impersonation. Phishing. Malware that changes your browser settings to direct you to malicious sites or show you ads. Also known as browser hijacker. Hijackware. Spyware or hardware that tracks and records keystrokes, particularly passwords and credit card information. Keylogger. 7, 8, 9, 10. Cybersecurity in India, law. Major institutions features National Cyber Coordination Center NCCC. It will be India's first layer for cyber threat monitoring, and all communication with government and private service providers would be through this body only. The NCCC would be in virtual contact with the control room of all internet service providers to scan traffic within the country, flowing at the point of entry and exit, including international gateway. CERT is operational since 2004. It is the national nodal agency for responding to computer security incidents as and when they occur. Since November 2012, DG of CERT is called the National Cyber Security Coordinator (NCSC). NTRO set up in 2004. It is a technical intelligence agency under the National Security Advisor in the Prime Minister's Office, India. It also includes National Institute of Cryptology Research and Development (NICRD). National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center (NCIIPC). It is an organization of the Government of India created under Section 70A of the Information Technology Act, 2000, amended 2008. The NCIIPC under NTRO released the Guidelines for Securing the National Critical Information Infrastructures (NCII) of the country. Indian cybercrime. To act as a nodal point in the fight against cybercrime, take up R&D activities in Q. The terms WannaCry, Petya and Eternal Blue, sometimes mentioned in the news recently, are related to pre-18 set D. A. Exoplanets. B. Cryptocurrency. C. Cyber attacks. D. Mini satellites. Answer C. Q. With reference to bitcoins, sometimes seen in the news, which of the following statements is correct? 1. Bitcoins are tracked by the central banks of the countries. 2. Anyone with a Bitcoin address can send and receive bitcoins from anyone else with a Bitcoin address. 3. Online payments can be sent without either side knowing the identity of the other. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Bitcoins. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of electronic cash. It is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin was invented by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto and released as open source software in 2009. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. Important terms: digital currency. Digital currency, electronic currency, is a type of currency available in digital form in contrast to physical, such as banknotes and coins. It exhibits properties similar to physical currencies, but can allow for instantaneous transactions and borderless transfer of ownership. Examples include virtual currencies and cryptocurrencies. Venezuela became first sovereign country to officially launch its own cryptocurrency called Petro. In March 2018, the Marshall Islands became the first country to issue their own cryptocurrency and certify it as legal tender. The currency is called the sovereign. The United Arab Emirates (UAE), Central Bank (UAECB), and the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority (SAMA) have announced that the interbank digital currency they are co-developing will be called ABA. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency created, stored, and transacted using blockchain technology. Bitcoin, Digitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Lachmicoin are some of the examples. Among them, Bitcoin, invented by an anonymous user Satoshi Nakamoto, 2009, is the most popular cryptocurrency. Important terms: blockchain technology. The blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. Cryptocurrency mining: it is a process in which transactions for various forms of cryptocurrency are verified and added to the blockchain digital ledger. With Bitcoin, miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain Q. With reference to bitcoins, sometimes seen in the news, which of the following statements is correct? 1. Bitcoins are tracked by the central banks of the countries. 2. Anyone with a Bitcoin address can send and receive bitcoins from anyone else with a Bitcoin address. 3. Online payments can be sent without either side knowing the identity of the other. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer B. Q. Consider the following pairs of terms sometimes seen in news. 2018. 1. Bell to experiment, artificial intelligence. 2. Blockchain technology, digital cryptocurrency. 3. CRISPR, Cas9, particle physics. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Bell 2 experiment. The Bell 2 experiment is a particle physics experiment designed to study the properties of B mesons, heavy particles containing a bottom quark. Bell 2 is the successor to the Bell experiment and is currently being commissioned at the Super KEKB accelerator complex at Keikin Tsukuba, Abaraki Prefecture, Japan. Bell 2 has better sensitivity, some 50 times higher than its predecessor, Bell. It is designed to study violations of the standard model in dark matter. Complementary to the direct search experiments being carried out at the Large Hadron Collider in CERN, Bell 2 will indirectly probe new physics using intense electron-positron beams and a sensitive detector. A grand collaboration of 700 scientists from 23 countries, Bell 2 has a significant Indian participation both on experimental and theoretical sides. The fourth layer of the sixth layer, highly sensitive particle detector, which is at the heart of Bell 2, has been built by Indian scientists led by Tariq Aziz and Gagan Mohanty, who are with the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research (TIFR), Mumbai. Scientists from the Indian Institutes of Technology (IITs) in Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Guwahati and Hyderabad, the Institute of Mathematical Sciences (IMSC), Chennai, Punjab University, Punjab Agricultural University, MNIT, Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, East Indian Institutes of Science Education and Research, Mohali, and TIFR, Mumbai are participating in this research. Artificial intelligence. It is a branch of computer science which deals with creating computers or machines as intelligent as human beings. The term was coined in 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It is a simulation of human intelligence processes such as learning, the acquisition of information and rules for using the information, reasoning, using the rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction by machines, especially computer systems. For example, in May 1997, an IBM supercomputer called Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a chess match. Another recent example of 2016 is AlphaGo, a program driven by Google's DeepMind AI, has won Korean Lee Sedol, one of Go's most dominant players. Initiatives by Indian government. AI task force headed by B. Kamakurti was set up to explore possibilities to leverage AI for development across various fields. NITI Aayog and IBM have partnered to develop a crop yield prediction model using AI to provide real-time advisory to farmers. NITI Aayog is working with Microsoft and Forest Health to introduce a technology for early detection of diabetic retinopathy as a pilot project, CRISPR. The clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats, or CRISPR associated protein 9, Cas9, CRISPR Cas9 system has revolutionized genetic manipulations and made gene editing simpler, faster, and easily accessible to most laboratories. The technology can be used for targeting specific stretches of an entire genetic code or editing the DNA at particular locations. CRISPR technology is a simple yet powerful tool for editing genomes. It allows researchers to easily alter DNA sequences and modify gene function. Its many potential applications include correcting genetic defects, treating and preventing the spread of diseases, and improving crops. However, its promise also raises ethical concerns. How it works. CRISPR Cas9 technology behaves like a cut and paste mechanism on DNA strands that contain genetic information. The specific location of the genetic codes that need to be changed or edited is identified on the DNA strand, and then, using the Cas9 protein, which acts like a pair of scissors, that location is cut off from the strand. A DNA strand, when broken, has a natural tendency to repair itself. Scientists intervene during this auto-repair process, supplying the desired sequence of genetic codes that binds itself with the broken DNA strand. Question 12. CRISPR. Q. Consider the following pairs of terms sometimes seen in news. 2018. 1. Bell 2 experiment, artificial intelligence. 2. Blockchain technology, digital cryptocurrency. 3. CRISPR, Cas9, particle physics. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer. B. Q. Project Loon, sometimes seen in the news, is related to 2016. A. Waste management technology. B. Wireless communication technology. C. Solar power production technology. D. Water conservation technology. Project Loon. Project Loon is a network of balloons traveling on the edge of space, designed to connect people in rural and remote areas, help fill coverage gaps, and bring people back online after disasters. Each balloon can provide connectivity to a ground area about 40 kilometers in diameter using a wireless communications technology called long-term evolution (LTE). Project Loon began in June 2013 with an experimental pilot in New Zealand. How it works. Project Loon balloons travel approximately 20 kilometers above the Earth's surface in the stratosphere. Winds in the stratosphere are stratified, and each layer of wind varies in speed and direction. Project Loon uses software algorithms to determine where its balloons need to go, then moves each one into a layer of wind blowing in the right direction. By moving with the wind, the balloons can be arranged to form one large communications network. How is Loon designed? The inflatable part of the balloon is called a balloon envelope. Each balloon's electronics are powered by an array of solar panels. The panels produce approximately 100 watts of power in full sun, which is enough to keep Loon's electronics running. Project Loon is able to power itself using entirely renewable energy sources. Wi-Fi. According to Microsoft, its technology can provide free Wi-Fi connectivity to the roughly 1 billion Indians who don't have any net access, and it plans to start with International Institute of Information Technology (IIIT) Bangalore campus. Characteristics. Wi-Fi technology uses the unused spectrum in frequencies utilized for broadcasting of television. Signals and use it for the internet. In technology parlance, these unused spectrum spaces are called white space, and thus it is also called TV white space technology. The 200 to 300 MHz spectrum in the white space can reach up to 10 kilometers as compared to current Wi-Fi technology that allows you a range of about 100 meters. The 200 to 300 MHz spectrum currently belongs to Doordarshan TV channel and isn't used at all. Q. Project Loon, sometimes seen in the news, is related to 2016. A. Waste management technology. B. Wireless communication technology. C. Solar power production technology. D. Water conservation technology. Answer. B. Q. What is the purpose of a Evolved Laser Interferometer Space Antenna ELIZA project? 2017. A. To detect neutrinos. B. To detect gravitational waves. C. To detect the effectiveness of missile defense system. D. To study the effect of solar flares on our communication systems. ELIZA. The Laser Interferometer Space Antenna (LISA) is a mission led by the European Space Agency to detect and accurately measure gravitational waves, tiny ripples in the fabric of space-time, from astronomical sources. LISA would be the first dedicated space-based gravitational wave detector. It aims to measure gravitational waves directly by using laser interferometry. The LISA concept has a constellation of 3 spacecraft arranged in an equilateral triangle with sides 2.5 million kilometers long, flying along an Earth-like heliocentric orbit. The distance between the satellites is precisely monitored to detect a passing gravitational wave. The LISA project started out as a joint effort between the United States Space Agency (NASA) and the European Space Agency (ESA). However, in 2011, NASA announced that it would be unable to continue its LISA partnership with the European Space Agency due to funding limitations. LISA Pathfinder. An ESA test mission called LISA Pathfinder (LPF) was launched in 2015 to test the technology necessary to put a test mass in almost perfect free fall conditions. LPF consists of a single spacecraft with one of the LISA interferometer arms shortened to about 38 centimeters, 15 inches, so that it fits inside a single spacecraft. Gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of space-time generated by some of the most powerful astrophysical events, such as exploding stars and collisions of 2 black holes at the centers of galaxies. Gravitational waves travel at the speed of light through the universe, unhindered by intervening mass. To gravitational waves, the universe is transparent. Albert Einstein revealed that gravity rules the universe. According to his theory of relativity, in a pure gravitational environment, all masses follow space-time along the straightest paths possible through this curved arena. The straight line to curved space-time is called a geodesic. Gravitational waves are waves in the fabric of space-time. They change approximately parallel geodesics, pushing them together and then pulling them apart. 2 free-falling test masses will experience this oscillating change in the relative distance to each other. In 2017, the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Raina Weiss, Kip Thorne and Barry Barish for their role in the direct detection of gravitational waves. Indian Initiative. Indigo Indian Initiative in Gravitational Wave Observations is a consortium of Indian gravitational wave physicists. 1. This is an initiative to set up advanced experimental facilities for a multi-institutional observatory project in gravitational wave astronomy located near Ondhananad, Hingoli district, Maharashtra. The project involves constructing a network of L-shaped arms, each 4 kilometers long, which can detect even the faintest ripples from cosmic explosions millions of light years away. The LIGO project operates 3 gravitational wave (GW) detectors. 2 are at Hanford in the state of Washington, northwestern USA, and 1 is at Livingston in Louisiana, southeastern USA. The proposed LEGO India project aims to move one advanced LEGO detector from Hanford to India. The LEGO India project is an international collaboration between the LEGO Laboratory and 3 lead institutions in the LEGO India consortium. 1. Institute of Plasma Research, Gandhinagar. 2. IUCAA, Pune 3. Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, Indore. Q. What is the purpose of Evolved Laser Interferometer Space Antenna ELISA project? 2017. A. To detect neutrinos. B. To detect gravitational waves. C. To detect the effectiveness of missile defense system. D. To study the effect of solar flares on our communication systems. Answer B. Question 15. Q. The terms event horizon, singularity, string theory and standard model are sometimes seen in the news in the context of 2017. A. Observation and understanding of the universe. B. Study of the solar and the lunar eclipses. C. Placing satellites in the orbit of the Earth. D. Origin and evolution of living organisms on the Earth. Question 16. Q. Consider the following statements. 2004. 1. Adam Osborne introduced the first portable computer. 2. Land Wilmot created the first clone sheep. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Q. Read about the following. 1. National Supercomputing Mission. 2. Top 500 supercomputer list. Fastest supercomputer in the world in India. 3. Data protection law in India. 4. Net neutrality in India.